Got a couple of real good dings there. I don't know if this will take it out, but once I start sanding, I'll take it down better. All this will come down better. This is just taking off the bad coat. Hey, that's just the initial sand. I'll work my way up finer and finer until I get it smooth and nice looking. Getting there. You still see the Suzuki a bit on there, but getting back to yellow. That Rust-Oleum high heat, kind of a flat black. I think it'll look all right. The frame is gloss, so flat black will contrast. All right, I got the forks back, front forks for the PE. Got them back from Tapio at Ride Concept. He put the custom-made heavy-duty spring in there. Got rid of the old springs, they were too weak. And he put some emulators in the fork, so that's going to make a big difference. There's no adjustability on these things, but you just got the air cap on the top, that's about it. But that's going to make a big difference in the ride on the front end of this thing. Okay, it's time to try and put the engine back in, if I remember how everything goes. Already scratching the paint up. Oh well. We'll touch her up. That's the reason I didn't go with powder coat, because if something gets scratched, it's easy to touch up. Okay, let's see. Let's go there. So you'll notice I went with a different shade of, well, it's a flat black engine paint. I wanted that contrast between the frame and the engine, so it all didn't look the same. I think it looks all right. So I buff up these bolts a bit with the prime wheel buffer, and I put a little thin coat of grease, white lithium grease on there, so the bolt doesn't corrode in there anymore. That's just how I finish the bolts up. Okay, so the big fat bolt went there. These bolts go up here. Okay, the motor's basically sitting there. It's got 3 bolts in it. I forgot to paint the front little triangle motor mounts there, so they're sitting here drying. So it's a long, slow process. We're getting to her. Finally got the motor sitting in there anyways. Haven't worked on this thing for a long time. Been working on a Maverick forever. But I got the forks back and everything now, so we'll be getting onto that.